There's my boy Ghost. Got to meet him today. Y'all know what's up. We out here on demo day. We just got done. I was late to the show, but Ghost, he's been here like all day. So he's been running around all day. He had his full day of demos. I got on one. I got on the XSR 900, but y'all was like, man, why you riding the same one? It's got the same motor. I know it does. I'm just telling you, it behaves differently. And so I wish I could have done a video. I wish I could have done a video for y'all, but they said no recording. I got made sure I wasn't recording. He made sure I was not recording before we took off. So that was fun. That was really fun. I said I wish I would have got here sooner. I wish I could have been able to get here sooner. I just got here a little late. Just because I had some other things I needed to get done. So, but other than that, it was a good day, good time coming out here and riding around on the 2020. That was a 2020 model that I rode, and so nonetheless it was good. I like the color. The color on it was not bad. I do think that the seat was a little small. Just minor stuff. The seat was small. The exhaust wasn't loud enough. I mean, it's stock, so whatever, right? What do you expect? And then the throttle, I think that they did some tuning on this thing that's a little different than the what they have on the MT09, because the throttle response was really surprising, to be honest with you, given that it was the exact same motor. It is surprising that it responded the way it did. We're trying to figure out if we're going to go. But yeah, I think it was fun, man. It was exciting. Hopefully I'll get on the next one, come a little bit sooner, ride a little bit more. But we are on the way home. We're just gonna enjoy this ride back, following Ghost until we get close enough to where we need to take off and go our separate ways. Even though I didn't get to ride a lot of bikes, because I mean I pretty much came in on the back end. I mean, they were pretty much like I was the last ride, because when we got done they were putting the bikes away, so I was pretty much the last one. So, but it's good times, fun being on the bikes. It's always fun to be out here, you know that. Those of us who ride, we know. But I don't know if I'm gonna actually I don't know if Ghost wants me to put this video out, man, because he's still trying to be Ghost, so we gotta help that. Hey man, you ain't acknowledging that ghost. That's funny. He's not acknowledging that. Come on, fam. I got a different mount on it now. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna take forever to get home at this pace. I didn't realize there's a pole behind us. I don't even know if he's just waiting for us to do something silly or not, bro. I'll probably have to find a gas station pretty soon, though. Okay. Yeah.
The next one we'll just do that, and then next gas station, you got a preference?
Say what?
You got a preference on gas station?
A what?
Did you say you need a gas station?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a preference? Shell, BP?
Nope. Gas is gas to me.
Okay, man. Well, we'll just get one and kind of regroup and whatever.
Out of service. Oh man. My GPS is telling me to make a left right there on Rucker.
Yeah, mine too. So
come back out this way.
And go across.
Yep, and go across. Yep.
I'm gonna have to turn mine off because my battery's almost dead.
Oh yeah. You don't have a charger on it?
I left my cable in. Of course.
Is that iPhone?
No, it's Android.
Is it a is it USB 3?
USB.
I mean USB-C?
Yeah.
You want to use mine?
No, I'm good, man.
You sure?
Because that way when we need to part, you just go. I don't want to.
I mean, it's just a wire. I got one more at home.
I'll be all right.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Appreciate it, bro.
What's your battery life at?
That's at 15.
15? Yeah. Right.
I'll let you take point.
Okay.
And then, you know, I'll just peel off when I need to, whatever. But
sounds good.
It, man.
All right, man.
We'll do it next time.
Yeah, we'll do it again for sure.
If Kawasaki comes to town, if I find those dates, I'll let you know.
Yeah.
They come up there about April, May.
Okay, that sounds good.
Until next time, or SmortCon.
Yeah, that's right.